In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new widget in Gohighlevel. To get started, open Gohighlevel and make sure you're on the main account dashboard area. Once you're inside the platform, direct your attention to the left-hand side panel. This is where you'll find the main navigation menu used to move between different sections of your account. From that side panel, click on Dashboard. This will take you to the dashboard view where your current widgets and reporting layout are displayed. If you already have widgets on the screen, that's perfectly fine. We're simply going to add another one to the existing dashboard. Next, move to the top right corner of the page and click on Edit Dashboard. This option allows you to customize what appears on your dashboard and how your data is presented. If you don't immediately see the editing tools, just give the page a moment to fully load before continuing. After entering dashboard edit mode, click on Widgets. This is the section where all available widget options are listed. Widgets help you surface specific types of information directly on your dashboard, so you can quickly monitor important metrics without navigating through multiple menus. Now select the widget that you want to add. You may see different categories or data types depending on your account setup. Take a second to choose the one that best matches the information you want visible on your dashboard. This is useful if you want faster access to performance snapshots or key business metrics. For this example, click on Contacts. That will open the widget options related to contact data. Inside that category, click on Contacts Count. This widget is helpful if you want a simple at-a-glance view of how many contacts are currently in the system. It's a good basic widget to use when you're building out a more informative dashboard. Once you've selected the widget, click on Save. This confirms your changes and adds the new widget to your dashboard layout. After saving, you should be able to see the newly added widget displayed on the dashboard, and that's it. You've successfully added a new widget in Gohighlevel. If you're customizing your dashboard for better visibility, it can be helpful to add only the widgets you actually use most often, so your workspace stays clean and easy to read. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.